Okay, hello my friend. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Sanusi. My major is Tech Information Technology and I am from Balangan. Okay, I will describe my unforgettable journey. Okay, one of the most unforgettable journey in my life happened when I was 6th grade. During the school holiday, I traveled to Samarinda to attend my uncle's wedding. It was my first time visiting the city, and I was excited to experience something new while spending time with my family. Um, the wedding was lively and full of tradition. I enjoyed the music, food, and the warmth of family gathering together. What made the trip even more special was that I took place during Eid al-Fitr. And in Samarinda, children usually go from house to house to greet people and receive angpao. Angpao is the money in small envelopes as part of local tradition in Samarinda. I joined this activity with other children and was happy to collect a good amount of money while having fun. Another unique experience was helping a friend sell flowers near the cemetery. Many people visited the graves of their loves and during the holidays. And surprisingly, the flowers sold really well. It was my first time doing a small business and I learned about working hard, communication with others, and earning money by myself. Uh, that short journey gave me wonderful memories, valuable lessons, and experience I had never had before. That is why I will always remember it as one of the most meaningful trips in my life. Since that journey, I have always hoped to return to Samarinda one day. I want to visit the place I remember and maybe relive the warmth and excitement of that time. That short trip become more than just a memory. It's become a reminder that even simple moments can leave a lasting impact on our lives. Okay, my friend, uh, that's my unforgettable journey. See you and bye bye.